Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to attract Leo individuals. Winning over someone born under the Leo sign involves showing genuine admiration and constant attention. Leos thrive on compliments and rarely doubt their sincerity as they believe they truly are as wonder as you say. If you genuinely admire them, you are in luck. If not, it's best to play the part convincingly. Leos rarely think compliments are overdone. Another way to attract a Leo is through humor. They have a great sense of humor and love being entertained, much like a monarch enjoying a court jester. Additionally, attending cultural events can make a strong impression. Consider inviting a Leo to a preview or exclusive event such as an art gallery opening, an advanced movie screening, or an author's lecture about their upcoming book. These experiences align with their love for excitement and inclusivity. Leos have specific dislikes that are good to know. Leo men dislike heavy makeup on women, while Leo women dislike stingy behavior. Both male and female Leos believe they deserve the best and prefer first-class treatment and luxurious experiences. To impress a Leo woman, be generous and avoid appearing frugal. Show her that nothing is too good for her. Do not hesitate to spend on her. Remove the rubber band from your bankroll. Never wins at a restaurant bill. And always opt for the best orchestra seats. Do not forget to bring flowers and champagne and make thoughtful phone calls. These gestures show her she is cherished. Ensure the ambience is elegant and upscale. To captivate a Leo man, focus on quality and praise. Buy the best cut of steak and spare no expense on the wine. When he brings a good bottle of wine, praise his choice enthusiastically. Compliment the wine's bouquet and taste to show your appreciation for its refined taste. After dinner, surprise him with a flaming dessert or a special brandy. These touches show you have put thought into making the evening special. Maintain a posh and sophisticated ambience to make him feel valued. To attract a Leo, you must shower them with genuine admiration and attention. Humor and cultural outings also go a long way in winning their hearts. Be aware of their dislikes such as heavy makeup for Leo men and stinginess for Leo women. Always opt for the best and most luxurious options, whether dining out, choosing gifts, or planning surprises. By following these tips, you will make a lasting impression on any Leo, making them feel as special and cherished as they believe they are. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to seeing you in future videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.